Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hanis bin Desa. My matric number 10DE 20F1010. Today we want to present about design a computer laboratory for Polytechnic Bamprai with a capacity of 40 students, which complies to the Department of Occupational Safety and Health and Fire Department requirement. First, I want to tell you about introduction computer laboratory. A computer lab is a space which provides computer service to a defined community. Computer labs are typically provided by library to the public, by academic institution to students who attend the institution, or by other institution to the public or to people affiliated with that institution. User typically must follow a certain user policy to retain access to the computer. Okay, then I want to tell you about a few things we need to do before we plan the computer laboratory. First, indoor air quality and respiratory. The air quality within and around building and structure. Indoor air quality and respiratory is known to affect the health, comfort and well-being of building occupants. Poor indoor air quality has been linked to sick building syndrome, reduced productivity and impaired learning in school. Indoor air quality can be affected by gas, including gas carbon monoxide, radon, volatile organic compound, particular microbial contaminant, or any mass or energy stressor that can induce adverse health condition. And second, we need to focus to the lighting and sightness. First, background. The visual condition for computer work are complex and include several factors that need to be well controlled. These factors include the lighting system, the design of the computer and screen itself, the screen position and orientation within the room, the surface reflectance and color of the room, and the visibility of the worker. And the objective for this lighting and sightness, the objective was to review the literature including standard on lighting for computer work in an accessible summary. This contribution focused on lighting for computer work, but the reader is reminded of the fact that lighting continuously interact with the other factor mentioned above.
The next factor is temperature and humidity. As a general rule, office temperature and humidity are matter of human comfort. OSHA has no regulation specifically addressing temperature and humidity in an office setting. However, Section 3, Chapter 2, Section 5 of OSHA Technical Manual, recommendation of the employer provided engineering and administrative guidance to prevent the elevate indoor air quality problem. Air treatment is defined under the engineering recommendation as the removal of air containments and the control of room temperature and humidity. OSHA recommended temperature control in the range of 68 to 76 Fahrenheit and humidity control in the range of 20 to 60%. The next factor is noise and hearing. Noise or unwanted sound is one of the most common occupation hazards in American workplaces. The National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health, NOISHA, estimated that 30 million workers in the United States are exposed to hazardous noise. Exposure to high level of noise may cause hearing loss, create physical and psychological stress, reduce productivity, interfere the communication, and contribute to accident and injuries by making it difficult to hear warning signals. The chapter is divided to 6 main sections. Following this introduction, the second section provides background information about noise and regulation and an overview of noise control. The final two sections provided references used to produce the chapter and resources and obtaining additional information. Following the main section, the appendix provide a glossary of terms, sample calculation, and expanded discussion of certain topics that has been introduced in this chapter.
Alright, I will continue with sitting and workstation layout. There is no regulation that specifically addresses workstation and sitting. When you are sitting at your workstation, you should be able to place your feet firmly on the ground or on a footrest. Your feet should be parallel with the floor, and the backrest of your chair should support your lower back. This means that the workstation should be such that it does not create risk to the worker's health and safety. Ergonomics refers to how the workplace is set up in relation to the equipment, the design of the building, and how work is performed. Don't forget too that with increasing evidence that sedentary work is a hazard, there needs to be consideration of break and adjustable workstation. The same sort of consideration need to be taken account of if a worker is from home. Next, selection of workstation furniture. They should be stable and provide a bit of office workstation. Modular workstation. This is the type of workstation that provide user with component and resource as per the given space and requirement of the office. The key component of this type of station involve office hutch, writing surface drawer, and many more. Generally, this workstation consists of USB structure within an office or building, which can also be adjusted to accommodate meeting. It is a workstation which is most suitable for supervisor workers as they have to deal with a lot of paperwork and meeting. Next, portable workstation. It is the most important type of workstation furniture. This type of workstation offer opportunities to users to execute their tasks and work at various locations with some time and consistency. One of the main advantages of workstation is mobility. The workstation functions the same as other office furniture in the office when working. However, when the user is need of travelling, the unit of this office furniture can be separate and taken along. Ergonomic workstation. This is a form of workstation that offer a comfortable and dynamic area for work. The workstation involves various types of furnishing equipment that are a requirement of the work and provided comfortably to the user. Ergonomic workstation furniture include things like chair with complete lumbar support, tables, and other facilities. They are mainly designed keeping in mind the sitting and working posture of the employee of a particular business renter should be within reach. The conclusion for this presentation is that we can build a computer lab that is suitable for capacity of 40 people. In addition, we can learn that factor that make a laboratory is important because it will ensure the comfort of visitor who visit the lab. Again, during the MCO season, that we need to maintain a distance of 1 meter and check the temperature before entering the computer. That's all. Thank you.